Hello student, in the C#.NET, today's topic is characteristics of the C#. In the last lecture you learned what is C#, how the evolutions of the C#, introduction of the C#, how the C# is evolved from C++ and the Java, how the language is evolved, how the language is developed by the C#, developed by the Microsoft, and today's topic is characteristics of the C#. The C Sharp is a very simply language. It is a simply designed any the program. The C Sharp has a simplicity rather than the use the power. C Sharp fulfill the need of the language that is easy to write, read, and maintain, and also to provide the power and the flexibility of C++ language. The language that is designed for both computing and the communicating. The communication is characteristics by the several. First is the simple. C sharp simplifies the C++ by using the operator is greater than operator, less than operator, pointer operator, greater than pointer. The various types of the C sharp operators, C++ operators are used. C sharp treats integer and boolean data type as two entirely different type. This means that the use of the equals to and the double equals to in each statement will be caught by the compiler, easily catch by the compiler, and easily compile the program. This is in the simple way you can design by the using the various types of the C++ operator. Why C++ operator? Because the C sharp language is developed by using the C++ and the Java. Java's features both are combines it, and then C sharp language is developed. C sharp treats integer boolean data types, two entirely different types. In the simply you can use the various types of the operators and their data type also. Second is object oriented. Object oriented C sharp is totally object oriented programming language. Objects means, and those languages supported to create the class, create the objects there, various types of the methods are used. It supports all the object oriented features means encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, classes, data abstractions. The entire C sharp is a class module. It is a build up top of the virtual object system, totally object system, and in the of the .NET framework. In the last lecture, you learned that what is the .NET framework and why .NET framework is used. In the C sharp, everything it is totally depends upon the object. There are no more global functions, variables, and the constant. Is totally object oriented. Features are supported, encapsulation, inheritance, and the polymorphism. Next, third is consistent. C sharp supports an unified type system which eliminate the problem or varying ranges of the integer type. All types are treated as objects, and developer can extend the type system simply and easily. Next is modern. C sharp called modern programming language due to numbers of features. It supports automatic garbage collection. Automatically garbage collection means automatically memory allocate decimal data type for the financial application. When you create any financial application in C sharp.net, the decimal data type supports in the C sharp.net programming. Robust security. Robust means strong security is provided for the application. Modern approach for the debugging, for the execution of the any programming and the debugging of the program. Modern approach is used. Rich model for the error handling, easily error handling in the C sharp programming, easily handle the dubs. You can find out the errors when you errors occur in your programming. Red marks, green mark, and the marks are shown. Easily errors are shown in your program. In this way, it is the C sharp language. It is a modern language. Next is type shape. Type shape means TypeScript promotes strong programs. C Sharp provide the numbers of TypeScript measures. All dynamically allocated object array are initialized the 0. All the dynamically allocated objects are used in the C Sharp programming. Arrays are in the initializing their position is 0 up to the users decided their size. Use of any variable procedure and error message by the compiler. Access to array are range check and 1 if it goes out of the bounds. Access to the array are range check and 1 to the it goes to the bound. C Sharp does not permit unsafe casting. Casting is supported in the C Sharp programming. Casting means you can change the integer data type into the float data type and in the float data type into the convert into the boolean data type. In this way the castings are supported in the inboxing and boxing types of the castings are supported in the C Sharp programming. C Sharp enforces the overflow of the checking in arithmetic operation. Reference parameters that are passed are in the type shape. Reference parameters are also passed in the type shapes and easily passing. C Sharp supports the automatic garbage collection. Automatic garbage collection means in the memory allocation in the at the execution of the program the garbage collections are supported in the C Sharp. Next is versionable. Versionable means makes new versions of the software modules work within the existing application is not versioning. Making new versions of software module because you learn the C Sharp.NET 2010 version and the next version is 2012. Latest version is Visual Studio 2019 and they makes new versions of software module work with the existing application. Making new versions of the software modules work with the existing application is known as versioning. C Sharp provides supports for versioning with the help of new and the override keyword. C Sharp provides support for versioning with the help of new and the override keyword. With this support, programmer can guarantee that his new class library will maintain compatibility with the existing client application. Next is compatible. C Sharp enforces the .NET Common Language specification, therefore allows interoperation with other .NET languages. .NET supports compatible means C Sharp enforces the .NET Common Language specification and therefore allows interoperation with the .NET languages. C Sharp provides support for the transparent access to standard COM to OLE automation. In the next lecture you learn the COM and the OLE. C Sharp also permits the interoperation of the web designing application. Next is the flexible. Flexible means C Sharp does not support the pointer. We may declare certain classes and method as unsafe and then use the pointer to manipulate them. However, this code will not be type safe. Interoperability. C Sharp provides supports for using COM object, component based object, component module based object, no matter what language was used to author them. C Sharp also support the special feature that enables a program to call out any applications. Interoperability. C Sharp support for using the COM object, component based, module based object, COM component based. What language was used the author. C Sharp also support the special features that enables to program to call the interoperability. Next is applications of the C Sharp. Application of first is console application. second is window application, third is developing Windows control, fourth is developing ASP.NET project, next is creating web control, next is providing web services, These are the applications of the C Sharp. C Sharp language is a new language developed to suit the various features of the .NET platform. .NET means network enabled platform. It can be used for variety of the applications that are supported for the .NET platform. In the .NET platform, various languages are available: VB.NET, C Sharp.NET, JSharp.NET. There are the various types of the language are provided by the Microsoft .NET framework. The first application is console application in the C Sharp. By the using of the C Sharp.NET, console applications are created. In the console application, no any GUI based applications are created. Only the codes are write and they are executed. The code is shown in your DOS screen. This is the console application. Next, window based application. It is window form. You can use the controls from the toolbox, drag and drop on the form and develop any window applications. It is also created developing Windows controls. Various types of the controls are used in the toolbox. Various of the toolbox, tables, text box control, label control, button control. These types of the various controls are also developed by using the C Sharp. Developing the ASP.NET. In the ASP.NET, it is a active server pages. Active servers page ASP.NET, it is a frontline. It is used for the server page, developing for the server pages. In the front side, use the ASP.NET. In the backend, C Sharp.NET are used for the developing the ASP.NET projects. Then the creating the various types of the web controls are also used. The C Sharp.NET providing the various types of the web services. In the providing the web services at that time, also C Sharp is used. Developing the various types of the .NET component based library are also used in the C Sharp.NET. These are the applications of the C Sharp: console application, window application, developing Windows control, developing ASP.NET projects, creating web control, providing web services, and the developing .NET component library. These are the applications of the C Sharp. Today close your session. Thank you.